like a penguin.
Water all over.
I guess there is a downside of hunting a feedlot.
And I would feel it, find my target and I drill it. More than a weapon in the right hands, failure not a part of my plans. I was created for things much bigger, pump me up and pull the trigger. So go on, load me in the shotgun, hold on, I'm ready to blow. The faint of heart, hope that you're not one when I let go.
We're checking out where we're going to hunt tomorrow. We're going to be over by this feedlot. There's a bunch of new mallards, as you can see, sitting out on this ice. So we're going to come in here tomorrow, put some full body mallards out and a bunch of the Dakota decoy fully flocked lessers, and just put a huge imprint on this ice and try to decoy these big groups of mallards. There's probably 3,000, 4,000 mallards in this general vicinity of these feedlots, and man, can you believe how many greenheads are out there? It's like 3 to 1 on hens. Here we are, hunting a feedlot holding pond. Tons of cattle in that part of Kansas, and the aroma was not exactly nice. Every single time that wind would come up and you would breathe a little bit of what that pond was offering, I was ready to get in my truck and hightail it out of there. One thing was for sure though, the mallards loved it. I mean, they were digging it. Everything we said to them with the call, the way our decoys looked, that sun shining in their face, the breeze was perfect. It was just a duck hunter's dream hunt, except for that smell of that pond. You know, they say a true waterfowl hunter will go to the end of the earth to chase a duck or goose. This hunt was truly pushing my limits, and I'm glad I stuck it out. All right, Cody, are we live?
Yeah.
We are live on the set of Fowl Life Season 3. Please pay attention and keep your hands inside your blind at all times.
What?
Shot that in.
Oh, you just wanted to shoot all green?
I would say that was a pillow party. Nice shooting.
I'm trying to be patient.
Beautiful. That had to look so cool on the gun cam.
Get him. Get him. Nice shooting, boys. Man, there's some ducks in there, boy. Wow.
Man, do they get out quick?
Yeah, they take off.
As soon as you get up, they're getting out.
Yeah, I gotta let them get in a little bit more, huh?
You know, it's just,
I think we're taking what we're getting.
yeah, I think you're doing a fine job. We just got to take what we can get.
But we're getting a lot of pretty footage.
Oh, absolutely.
Everybody wants to be hanged, but no one wants to die. Everybody wants to moan the blues, but no one wants to cry. You wanna be an outlaw, you gotta take a long,
raining
long
greenheads.
ride. Oh, everybody wants to be hanged, but no one wants to die. hooked up on pills.
The morning hunt was tough. I'm not gonna lie about it. I mean, we were even listening to the weather all the way up until the point we got out of the truck, and there was no telltale signs that the wind was gonna switch. Lo and behold, it did. And as you can see, these ducks are approaching and setting into the decoy spread from our hard left, almost over our back left shoulder. And it made it really tough on myself to call the shot. And I know that the other hunters in the group, especially Langbell, were getting really frustrated. And I kept asking him, man, don't be mad at me. He's like, no, you're doing what you can. But you know, the more and more the hunt went on, I kept seeing the ducks do the same thing. So I made an executive decision. I called the hunt. I wanted to regroup, figure out what the wind was gonna do that afternoon, get set up maybe on that paw, maybe on a different one, and be ready for them by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You know, after I called that hunt, I started second guessing myself right away. We're driving back to the lodge to regroup, have some breakfast. There's ducks flying everywhere, and I mean, they're flying heavy. So I start thinking, are they only gonna feed in the morning? Are they gonna come back to that pond later on in the evening when we're waiting for them? And I just tell myself every time, guys, and I would tell you to do the same thing. Once you make a decision, have confidence in it. If it's not working, try something else. Keep changing, keep diversifying your spread, change your calling, whatever it does, give them a new look until they start cooperating with you. Hopefully the afternoon goes better than the morning did.
I fell in way over my head. In love with a woman who knows how to knock a man dead. She's just a girl. She's out of my league.
That's $3.
That works.
There you go, boy.
That works.
Nice.
Boy, are they
That
working or what? You work.
That works.
Just like Eric V. and Rackham said, just doing work.
Dibs on the one on the bank.
That always adds.
Yeah.
Ah!
Careful right there, dude.
Ah!
Hey, thanks, Josh, for leaving Cheeto.
Look at that. They work tight.
It's awesome. I like that.
Save me a couple. Those
3
two,
in,
Ooh, that one looks
3
good,
down.
Maybe.
They like that little hen coaxer at the end.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Just bring
Great
them in.
calling. Great calling.
Thank you. Hunt Jimbo. Go to the cabin, get stressed out with 91 emails from this morning, and come back out here and forget about every one of them. Oh, that is a pillow.
He never got centered for me. He hung out right here. He didn't make it past.
This is a bad day for him.
Man, that's crazy.
This 20 gauge is absolutely amazing. And I'm not just saying that. It is the quickest shouldering, fastest shooting, combo with this choke tube and this 20 gauge heavy metal. Unreal. 3 inch, look at this. Here we go. I love it. I just love it.
Right. On the deck.
Get him.
Here, I'll get him, Chad.
Awesome. Man, you're trying to shoot ducks out from under me, man. Man, hit some Kansas coos. Waiting for you guys to do the Kansas two-step on them, man. Put the shuffle on them. Dance upon the duck. You got to dance upon the duck.
Glad it counted towards you on it, not
Dance upon the duck. We go, we go, we go, we go. You want to go Lil Wayne tonight? Somewhere dance club? Sure. What do you got? Double banded?
I wish.
He's pretty, huh?
Beautiful.
He did it right, too.
Beautiful,
Look
beautiful.
out, that's a mounter, ain't it, Adam?
He's pretty well smashed.
He ain't that
Come on.
smashed.
Are you looking at his leg?
Oh, you can, a good tackle.
Yeah, I can fix it.
Put a girl in it. Whoa. Ain't seen nothing.
It's cool on a hunt like this because you get to call guys out like I was talking about before. I'm just waiting for one of these guys to miss because I want to start razzing them. And nobody was missing. I mean, you could hear one shot go off and that duck would get hit, but he'd still be going, and the next guy would back him up and finish the duck off in a hurry. That's when you know that the ducks are close, when every single duck that comes in is just getting folded. Oh, hey guys, whether it's the season, the off season, or just some needed personal time, I choose American Waterfowler to get me through. Whether I'm looking for some great tips, awesome news on gear and gadgets, or just some great reading, I choose them every month. Check them out at waterfowlermag.com and get your subscription today.
Become a fan at facebook.com/bandednation.
I like my radio a little bit loud. It helps me feel what the song's about. I like my truck with a little bit of mud on the side. I'll take my jeans over any suit. The only shoes I own are these old boots. I don't like country clubs.
Get him.
Nice shot.
Sorry guys, they're just coming to the call.
Yeah, whatever. Why'd you throw your ball down here then?
Want to switch blinds? Let's see if it really is the call.
Well, dude, he was right here. Dude, let me tell you something. If I would have not shot him, I guarantee that Tyler would have walked to the truck.
It's an amazing opportunity to partner up with the Fowl Life, Chad Belding, Alex Lingbell, and the crew, and have the opportunity to share a blind and to share what we all know and what we all love, which is waterfowl hunting. It doesn't matter where you're born or where you're raised in this country, the same passion that we all have is very unique, and it's a great opportunity to learn from other people that hunt different parts of the country and to learn new parts of the country. And I think this is a great opportunity that we had here, and it's something I'll remember for the rest of my life.
Over on the right.
Two over the dam.
Get him. Ah! What happened in the middle, boy?
No, I didn't shoot.
What happened in the middle, boy?
What happened?
Yeah, a little crippling action there.
Well, the 20 gauge has another one dead over here, huh?
Dude, switch me blinds and I can clean up all day too. No big deal. You've got the gravy train shot. It's obvious.
Sounds like somebody's a little closer.
Hey, you can hear me razzing Adam in the blind here, and I'm telling you, I am going to get him out dancing. This guy can rap like Lil Wayne, Eminem. He can dance like no other. He's got the hair. He's a male model, the body to prove it, like a Greek god, pretty much. I mean, when you stand next to this guy, you feel like a lesser human being. And it is my goal within the next 2 or 3 seasons of Fowl Life to have him dancing, rapping, cutting up, doing his thing for all of our fans.
Why do you got to insult me, man? We're just ribbing you. Why can't you just smile and say, you know what? This is just a great day to be alive, Travis Tritt.
On the left, on the left, on the left.
The left. Sucking in hard.
Get him, Adam.
Nice. Good job, baby.
Nice.
There we go.
Atta boy, way to redeem yourself. That's
Totally redeem yourself.
That's called the Kansas two-step. It goes slide, slide, and get the arms out. What's up, Wayne? What? And the what? Oh. Get him. Oh!
There we go.
He did 4 flips. him. Oh, there we go. He did 4 flips. That's a new world record. Yeah! That's called a gymnastic duck, man. You guys got to give it up for that. Bella Caroli would love that. Mary Lou Red would be going nuts, man.
I wonder what the judges say. Judges?
This is what I'm talking about. You know, obviously they're not coming out in huge groups. They're feeding right behind us, a quarter mile, half mile in amongst all the cattle. And as they come over our heads, we're being able to hit them with the call. But we got the breeze in our favor now. We got the sun in our favor now. The lighting is beautiful. You know, they're coming in pairs, 3s, 4s, up to 8 ducks at a time. And you know, in Kansas, we've been accustomed to seeing those big groups of 40, 50, 60 ducks. We'll take what we can get on a day like this.
Hi there, this is Clay Belding with another Camel Cameras Tip of the Week. Today I want to talk a little bit about storytelling and the things that go into accomplish that task. As a videographer, you want to make a mental checklist of the little things that go into that hunt that actually you don't really get to see or don't really pay attention to that much. You know, you're going to have to get up a little bit earlier, get people getting out of bed, you know, getting all their stuff ready, getting in the trucks, decoys set, putting shells in the shotgun, the laughs, the high fives, sunrises, sunsets, you know, time lapses. There's a lot of things that go into storytelling to when you get back to the editing room, if you're editing or someone else is editing, the more pieces of the puzzle you have to tell that story, it's going to make the viewer believe that they're actually on the hunt with you. If you're running out of ideas or need new ideas, get to camelcameras.com and check out the blogs. Now back to the show.
Follow us at twitter.com/bandednation.
Good night. Beautiful.
Yeah, we're very fortunate to have Chad and Alex come out and the camera crew. His camera crew is unreal. You know, you never see the camera crew because they're always behind it, but there's a lot of work and a lot of effort that goes into that, and we really appreciate them giving 110%. You know, Chad, Alex, Cody, Seth, and Tyler, they all did a great job. I know they can go anywhere they want to. They get invitations all over the nation, all over North America, but to have them come out and share it with us, it's just something I'll never forget.
Oh! Yeah!
That'll be a good shot.
Woo! Love it. The camera was on. Straight up. You ready, Jim? You ready, Jim? Get him, Jim. Get him, get him. Crush. Woo! Shooting, boys. What's up with the green head down? Go ahead, Alex. I got the first 12.
Let me pour you a tall one.
There it is. Kansas 2010-2011 was absolutely killer for us. I really don't know why Dorothy ever left. I've said that before and I'm gonna say it again. I really don't know why she did. Jim Stanford, Adam Gilkey, CKO, you guys rocked it for us. We love you. More importantly than what you did for us as an outfitter is the new friendship that we formed. I'm in Nevada, Alex is up in Washington, you guys are in Kansas. We're talking every day now, we're great friends, and that's what I love about this heritage and tradition of waterfowl hunting. Yeah, country, we get to meet new people, see new places every day, and we do not take it for granted. I just hope that all of you get the chance to get outside of your state, get out of your local area, book a trip at somewhere like the Eastern Shore of Maryland, Stuttgart, Arkansas, Kansas, and see what America has to offer the hunter, the fisherman, the outdoorsman, the conservationist. Get your kids involved, get your girlfriends and wives involved, get your friends involved. There's nothing like being in the outdoors and experience what we got to experience in the state of Kansas. Book your hunt with Central Kansas Outfitters at centralkansasoutfitters.com. I can't wait to click my heels and get our team right back there. Stay with us on Facebook and Twitter. We'll see you guys right back here next week at the Fowl Life.
It's in front of me, broken white lines and headlights, rain splashing down, covering the glass, my vision blurred, but not my sight. Radio plays another tune, and road signs saying it won't be long. 4 states in 6 days, chasing my dreams, this can't be wrong. 'Cause it's the rising of the sun, it's a bite in the air, anticipation rides in my veins. A day like this must be rare. My foul life is in full swing, no telling what tomorrow may bring. So let it fly, cover the sky. I won't explain, I can't compromise. And ride with me.